As you can see, create a nice pocket on the inside. Can be stuffed with whatever you like. I know they smell good. Okay, so we're gonna be making some tapioca dinner rolls. We're gonna start off with 1 cup tapioca flour. It's a little messy. And for this, we're using Bob's Red Mill tapioca flour, finely ground. And we're also gonna add about 1/3 cup of coconut flour. Also, Bob's Red Mill coconut flour. We're going to add 1/2 cup of warm water, 1 whisked egg, about 1 teaspoon of salt,
How is that egg? You said organic?
It is a pasture-raised organic egg, or you can also use an omega-3 egg. And the last thing we're going to add for this recipe is 1/2 cup of olive oil.
What kind of oil?
Extra virgin olive oil.
Is it organic?
It is organic. I'm going to show you right now what it is. It is organic. Terra Delisa. Awesome. Alright, once you have everything in your bowl, you're just gonna go ahead and mix these things together. So if you're done mixing it and you see that it's a little too smooth or too thin, all you want to do is add a little more coconut flour, 5 spoons. Maybe one or two is good. And then you just go ahead and mix it again, so that it dries it out a little more and you get more of a dough consistency. If you feel that it's still too thin, then you just add a little more. Once your batter is ready, then you're gonna wanna do a scoop and drop onto some parchment paper. I have placed a cutting board underneath just to make it easier to transfer it to the oven. Once you have scooped onto the parchment paper, you're gonna flatten it with your spoon just so that they don't stay circular or like in a clump. That's gonna create that pocket inside of them later on. So we're gonna place these in the oven at 425 degrees for 35 minutes. So as you can see, they have gotten a nice golden color, and they have puffed up. That's exactly what you want. Okay, and this is the final result. What's nice about this recipe is that if you make it a little thicker with the coconut flour, you can make these into rolls by rolling them up, or you can do what you did today and make them into little pockets. You can break these up and stuff them with whatever you like, cheese, ham, whatever you like, a little pizza pocket if you will. So go ahead, make this recipe and enjoy. Let me know how it went in the comments. As you can see, create a nice pocket on the inside. Can be stuffed with whatever you like. I know they smell good.